So basically, trying to. So I'm parked outside, trying to get this phone up in the car. She had to go to the dentist, bro. Like, how do you put this in the car? Mad. Anyway, I'm just gonna hold it like this. So welcome, guys. Um, if you know me, I'm Jeremy Warner, bro. Just another guy with a hat, talk about stocks on YouTube. First of all, let me say, if you're gonna be interesting, hit that like, subscribe, do your thing. So welcome, family, welcome. If you're new here, we go live usually every day because the markets today we're going live, especially like I said, I'm parked outside in the car waiting for my wife, and she's gone to the dentist. Bro, the market is exploding today. Exploding, bro. First of all, if you're in the market and your portfolio is up today, drop a 777 in the chat. Let's go. Drop a 777 in the chat. That's 777. Right. So on my other phone, I'm looking actually at the market as we speak, the public call. But over the weekend, obviously we got that peace thing going on. So obviously, the markets are rallying globally. And yeah, bro, the tables have turned. Even crypto's up. If you see that, it's up. So if you've been holding growth stocks or AI stocks, right? You're smiling today. You're smiling, 100%. So let's break it down. The massive driver in this market today in my portfolios, right? And let's get into it to see which ones have been ripping. Like my title says, market's ripping today. So yeah, but let's catch up with some news. So why it's ripping? So basically, the entire market is running on a massive risk-on global peace framework, right? So the rally's up, bro. It's going up, right? The US and Iran have announced a tentative ceasefire, which we can hear all over the news channels, and I'm sure everybody on YouTube's talking about it. Because because of this, I feel like the market's up. So they're ending the conflict, which plans to obviously sign in Switzerland this Friday, the coming weekend, yeah, this Friday. So the Strait of Hormuz is reopening because this crucial global oil shipping route is opening back up. Crude oil prices are plummeting. Brent crude dropped over 5% down to $82. So yeah, man. So I hope you are in this right place, making that money, making that money. So what does this all mean, right? So with oil dropping, inflation fears are cooling off instantly, right? Traders just slashed the likelihood of another Fed rate hike this year down to 56% from 71%, right? Which is big last week, right? So what we're looking at, the S&P is up today about almost 2%. The Nasdaq is up almost 3%. So S&P 500 up almost 2, the Nasdaq up almost 3. The Dow is almost even 2, 1.5 to be exact, over 700 points. So what's trending, right? What are the ups and the dips that we want to look at right now? So SpaceX, bro, in the public account, which is ended for one check, right? Like I told you guys, in my private portfolio, I'm going to accumulate SpaceX in a couple of months. But I'm also accumulating in the public portfolio with you guys, right? My public portfolio is up. If you want to see it, it's all over YouTube. Now I'm sharing to show you guys what I'm doing if I started a public portfolio today, right? Those are the plays I would get into, the companies I would look at. And yeah, like I said, I'm not a financial certified advisor. I've just been in the market since 2015. So yeah, SpaceX, ticker symbol SPCX, up another 10% today to 11%. I'll show you right now on my phone where we are at. I'll flip it and show you guys where SpaceX is on what price point we get in the public. So just the second day of trading with SpaceX, following its historic IPO, and it's already pushing past 2 trillion valuation. That's massive, bro. The retail demand is definitely there, in my opinion. What else is trending is semiconductors, the AI mania. If I'm butchering any of my pronunciation, bro, like I'm not thirsty, bro. I forgot to get water. So pardon me. So Micron MU, ticker symbol, almost 10% up today as well. AMD crushing it to 7.2%. Nvidia up 3.5%, acting as the main engine, bro. This Nvidia, bro. I bought some more stocks even recently in the private portfolio. So if you're not following me on Digram, when I buy stuff into the private portfolio, I send out alerts on IG stories at what what buy prices as well, right? I take screenshots of my Fidelity brokerage and mention it there. So yeah, and travel stocks Delta, bro, DAL. The airlines moving up steadily because cheaper oil directly equals higher profit margins for travel. So something to look at on your watch list because I know personally I'm not in any of these travel stocks like Delta and stuff, right? So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it. Am I going to add it? No, I'm just going to look at it, put a star on my watch list and see what's happening. What are the dips? I'm sure you guys know about Fox and Roku. So Fox is down 50%. They announced plans to acquire Roku to gain access to the 100 million streaming household. Wow. And Wall Street is punishing Fox for the cost of the deal today. Wow, that's mad. The company wants to acquire it, but Wall Street pushes them down. That's mental, bro. Mental. So what are the quick takeaways? First of all, if your portfolio is up, let me remind me, drop a 777 in the chat. 777. Let's go. If you like this sort of live content where I'm sitting waiting for my wife in my car, also the dentist because the tooth was hurting over the weekend, bro. Drop me a like, bro. Follow the channel if you think it's cool. And check out my other videos, bro, as well. I create content. I love sharing my experience with the world, whether it's stocks, whether it's whatever. Have a look, bro. And I started boxing recently with my wife. Okay, so quick takeaways. Let's get back into the chat. Growth. So definitely growth is back on the menu when energy costs fall and rate hike fears back off. Money flies straight back into tech, AI, and the growth ETFs. I hope you guys, if you are not started, because my stocks with JW, that's me, Jeremy Waller, is basically catering to newbies, beginners, where I'm like, bro, if I started today, I'll be killing it because with AI and tech, the market is growing, right? So ETFs to look at SPMO, QQQ, VTI, VUG, VOO, bro. These are the ones to look at, and DRAM. If you're not in any ETF, DRAM, bro. DRAM is cool. What's this message? I don't know. Anyway, SpaceX momentum definitely quick takeaway. Keep a close eye on the volume. Day two of an IPO this big usually sees a cool off. So we're gonna look at it right now with you guys, and I'll show you my other phone where SpaceX is in the public portfolio. But the fact that it's double digits show massive institutional and retail buying power, 100%, bro. So I want to know if you are just starting or you've already been in the market. What are you guys looking at right now? What are you all in today? What's green for you? Let's literally have that conversation because I also want to learn from you guys what you've been buying and investing in from a portfolio. So let me know your ticker symbol, bro. Right. So I'm gonna open up the public portfolio right now with you guys. Okay, that's where it is right now. So the 11444, nice number, bro. I like that. Okay, but practically everything's up. Poet's up 15.84%. DRAM, we have $56. XC, we have 16.19%. POET, Poet, 15.76% up. And SpaceX, 13.7% up. Just to go Bitcoin, just to tell you, Bitcoin's up 66,700 and some change, yeah. So just let's look at SpaceX for now together. So being so SpaceX is currently 183 broskies. Bro, that's mental, bro. Look at that candle. Right? And so we only managed to get one share in the public portfolio, but that's cool, bro. We're a newbie. You know what I mean? I'm catering to newbies out there, people who just want to get into the market. So this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you if I was brand new to the market, what I'm doing, right? So we're up 35%. That's basically $45 and some change, bro, in the public portfolio. So that's huge, bro. We got the cost, we got the share for 135. It's currently 183. Right? So guys, I'm not going like my goal for the SpaceX stocks and everything that I'm getting into right now in the public portfolio is for long term, right? So I'm gonna accumulate even if it's down. Like right now, we're down in BBAI, like massively down, right? I want to show you the red flag zone, bro. We are down $266 in this, right? But we're still accumulating. I bought some today as well, and I'm just buying small DCA amounts, bro. We bought $10 a day, right? So we just buying daily, bro. When the market's down, we also bought some. We bought some CRM, which is currently down now. Today, Salesforce is 165. We are around $119 in this. Okay, so by overall the portfolio is still green. I'm picking up more Meta, more CRM, more Microsoft. We got Microsoft Republic portfolio as well. But what's up, bro? SoFi is up as well. I'm a long-term investor of this stock. I have this stock from $7. It's currently $17. So I'm accumulating in most of my portfolios in Numu, in People, in Fidelity, brokerage, and now with the public portfolio. In the public portfolio, we just have 22 shares, bro. It's not a lot. It's a lot, bro. If you know, I like SoFi as well, right? So we're up, man. American Express is up, Coin, Hood. We're up there. So yeah. So guys, just what I was chatting to you, we went up again. So it was 444, now it's 452. So guys, I want to say, bro, invest in the right, in good companies, in evergreen companies. Bro, like revving the car because the AC kind of got off. So it's mad hot, bro, in South Florida. What's the temperature? 85 Fahrenheit, bro. That's mental. Maybe I'll turn around and park in the shade or some shit. But guys, this is a great time to invest, in my opinion. Great time. Do your own DD, your own due diligence. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm not certified. Blah blah blah. You know what I mean? I put in the description. Go. The market's killing. I hope we keep on killing it. And yeah, let me know. Drop the 77 in the chat if your portfolio is green, and if you don't have a portfolio, bro, watch my videos, bro. I try to help who I can. And if not, bro, maybe I'm entertaining. Peace.